Так, here we got very nice looking Olympus sz60. Nice microscope for mobile phone repair application, so we could see its condition. In this case we are checking alignment. So here's the left channel, kind of that. And here's the right channel. Let me see the right channel. Kind of that. So we can see that alignment of the right channel is totally bad, totally incorrect. While external view looks pretty nice. We could say the most dangerous thing. Objectives are clean, without scratches, without dents, coating is uniform, but something wrong happened inside the microscope. Okay, and even check what we see through mirror part. Not that easily seen here. Here's right channel and here's left channel. Something wrong here. You won't see it, but I see something wrong, at least on the last mirror. Kind of dent here. So far I got the microscope to align for a Yermek from Kazakhstan. External view is pretty nice. Thank you for watching.